Hi, I'm Matt with Ballast Tools Equipment. Today we're going to cover the operation of our tamper attachment when using it off track. Position the backhoe parallel with the tracks. Lower the outriggers. Tamp the outside of the tie closest to the backhoe. Rotating the tamper while plunging it into the ballast will make it go down in easier into hard pre-tamped ballast. This rotating of the tamper should only be done while off track. Once the ties are tamped on the inside and outside of the rail closest to the backhoe, use the extend-a-hoe and extend the stick out to reach the inside and outside of the rail farthest away from the backhoe. Thanks for watching, and for more information, check out our website. And as always, be safe out there.